The energy and environmental issues that face our society are not going unnoticed. More and more people are beginning to look for solutions. Rochester Institute of Technology students and professors formed a group called Engineers for a Sustainable World, or ESW. Their goal is to develop ways to combat human impact and promote environmental sustainability.
Environmental sustainability is creating products and processes that are not as damaging to the environment. A lot of the processes that our manufacturers use now are very damaging to our environment, and so we're trying to lessen the impacts that those kind of processes have.
ESW receives funding from the Environmental Protection Agency to develop a solar oven that is environmentally friendly and cooks using no fossil fuels, only the sun's rays.
What we were aiming to do was to create a solar oven somewhere in the middle, something that reached the temperatures that the commercial ovens do, but is as inexpensive and safe for the environment as the homemade solar ovens.
They invited us to their campus in Henrietta, New York for lunch and to show us how this technology works.
Well, what we have here is a solar oven. What it does is it takes the energy from the sun. That energy is basically just the light, goes through this glass pane here, and it goes into the box, and it hits this black surface. And as you know, like when you go outside and you touch a black surface in the sun, it gets really hot. That's exactly what happens in here. But because of the glass lid and all the seals, all that heat gets trapped inside of the box, and so it just raises the temperature, so it gets hotter and hotter and hotter. And as you can see here, it's at 300 degrees inside just from the sun. There's no electricity, there's no power whatsoever, only just what the sun is providing to it. And to help it get more sun, we have these 4 big reflectors. What they do is they just catch a larger amount of area for the sun, and it beams the light right back down into the box. So you're increasing the size of the box without having to increase the area, which allows more energy to build up inside. What we're cooking is we have one that has beef tenderloin or pork tenderloin in it. We have a beef taco with sauce. We also have rice, mixed vegetables, and a chili. So we have a number of solar ovens here cooking today, and hopefully in about an hour and a half to 2 hours we'll have all of it ready and we'll sit down and have a nice lunch with everyone.
It was amazing how well these ovens worked. The food came out cooked to perfection and it tasted great. The best part was that it was all cooked by rays of the sun. We left with full bellies and a smile, knowing that these young engineers are making a difference to keep our Earth clean and green. Tune in next week to learn how they put this technology to use overseas, where there's a real need for alternative energy. For Homework Hotline, I'm Katie Sullivan.